guys, this is Jackson, UK. I'm at the, as you can see, the GrandShaft. I'm just going to walk around. I'm supposed to be with someone, but I can't find her, so I've got my own. And walk around. I'll turn you around. There you go. Turn it a bit further. There you go. This is the GrandShaft. You can see the shooting area. You think back in the Nipponic days, and probably World War II used it as well. You had no chance in hell. So you go there, no chance at the corner. There you go. So trying to prise it open there. Quiet it is. Look up on the internet how big this place is. I can't remember how big it is. That's the entrance you could go to when it's open. You think the Western Heights is massive. This is this part is the GrandShaft. We're in the GrandShaft moat. Go down there. There's no point. take you around there later. Going round in circles. I do stop a moment and I right. What do I show you? I've showed you this so many times. Show you again what it's about. Whew. I could just see it. Just showed it so many times. There you go. The Western Heights Trail, the Redoubt for the GrandShaft. Across the road. To show you again. On the other side. With that there, as I said so many times, it leads you to a road. There was a road there. Newponic times. Right. Hang on a minute.
Again, can you guess?
Guys,
we are walking. Where are we?
We
Casemates, isn't it?
yeah, the side of the casemates at Sittendale.
The side of the casemates at the Citadel. I will obviously give all information at the beginning of the video. A good shot.
Right, I tried to get up there, guys. Well, I didn't try to go up there. That's a lie. I went up there, tried to go up there last time, but unfortunately I didn't film it. That bit, as I said, that bit there with the hole, for some reason, let me. My brain won't tell me. It's telling me, don't go up there, don't go there. It's the fear.
Do it, Jackie. Do it. Come on, everyone in the comments. Encourage her, and we will come back. I tell you what, if we get enough people saying in the comments to encourage Jackie to do it, we will come back in a few weeks and we will get her up there. I promise you now.
Right, because I will go in there. I will find a way. There's a will, there's a way.
Oh yeah.
Right, and now we're going to go back through the woods, back through the Jurassic Park. Yay. See if we can find dinosaurs.
Woo!
There's a pterodactyl.
Oh,
If I film that, I can see. Got it on camera as well. Guys, I just tripped over. We're at next location, but unfortunately we couldn't get into here. There's the steps down there. Look, you see the steps down there? You can just see it. Yeah, it's not very good. No, unfortunately can't see it.
such a shame.
Yeah, but hey ho, that's the second failed attempt today.
It is.
Yep. But I'm not going to tell you where it is.
No.
But it's here.
Yeah,
we've been here.
Oh,
look guys, we're on top of the Cyclist over.
so YouTube, do you want to know one more bad thing that's happened today? The zip on my bag just broke.
Well, we failed on 3 locations. One, it got zip broken. Oh. I'm trying to stay away from the edge. Oh. Look at that, guys. As I said, we failed on 3 occasions. 3. One up the smoke. Oh, not smoky. Oh, what do you call it? Casemate. I won't go up a bank. Apparently there's another way to get to, but I couldn't find it. So that's one. There's a second one. I wouldn't go into the. It's like a 2, 3 things you climb up. I wouldn't do that. The third one we couldn't go in because it was all locked up, so I couldn't do that. So we're heading back, and it's turning you around, and there's a regatta going on down the seafront. See the spray, but the boats, those don't know what those are now, but basically they're displaying. So we just have a nice scroll back. We're going to find another place where IKEA's been, but it's trying to find it. I'll just turn you around. Yeah, as I said, trying to find this place, another place. Don't know if it's going to be possible or not. So pick up. Right, that's better. Put up a bit. Right.
Yeah. So what was you saying about those things again? Them spray things?
They basically displaying. Right, found a secret little area. Trying to find this other tunnel. Trying to find it. Yeah. But this is a lovely little area. Nice and cool. Nice breeze. Enjoying it. Nice. And it's, what time is it now? 6 o'clock in the evening. Still out. It's lovely. Had my dinner. So no rush to get back. Look at these steps, guys. Oh, me trip up the steps. I meant to walk up the stairs, not trip up the stairs. Did you get that? Yeah, here we go. Oh, what's the hole there? Right. Here we go. This is the right place we're supposed to be at. We're trying to find a old air raid shelter.
This here, down here, apparently was it a house?
Yes, I think it was part of the prison, wasn't it? A small house, but probably bigger because the bushes are in the way. But I don't know if you saw me trip up the steps.
I wasn't filming.
Oh, damn you. It'd be funny. Right. So we need to make sure there's, hopefully there's no bats I don't want to disturb. Right, I'm going in. You coming in or?
Yeah, I've got our bags though.
Oh. Or would you like me to? Don't like the sound of that. Oh, that's fine. Ow, you bugger. Oh, wow. What? Oh, wow, wow, wow. It's a nice cave area. And you see what it means? It goes into like a V shape.
Yeah.
And, well, do we get the bags or?
Is it worth it?
Yes.
It is.
Here you go, guys.
Oh, okay.
Hope that's not asbestos.
Hmm.
They're not. No.
What is that?
Old war shoes.
Look at that.
Oh my God, this wouldn't be a mine, would it, of some sort? It's another end. Oh my God, look at the wood. It's another entrance.
Huh?
It used to be an entrance. Oh my God.
Look at all this old stuff.
Wow.
Look at really old newspaper down there.
Oh my God.
No.
About the
I don't want to touch it, it's so old. Wow.
Oh my God.
Wow.
There you go, guys.
Oh, okay.
It's another entrance.
Is that what he said? They said there was 2 entrances, didn't they?
Yeah.
This is going to be just a quick video, guys, but I mean, we're in.
Yeah, we're definitely in.
Got your pickaxe marks in the chalk.
Oh my God.
Amazing. What? Where does that come up? Would that be easier to get out? Do you think?
And that'd be the same, wouldn't it? What do you reckon?
Where does that lead us out to? The woods that we were just in.
Yeah.
No, we'll go out the way we came in.
There's too many Wow. They've got little carved area for.
What would that have been? It's carved, curved, isn't it? Wow. The way it's been carved.
So we got into somewhere, guys.
Yeah.
Found it.
Woo!
Whoop whoop.
That's
Not a
made me
failure.
a little bit happy. These spiders ain't made me happy though.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, spider.
That's
Sorry to
okay.
disturb you.
No, well, these are like artefacts. No joke. Wow. This newspaper though. Oh my God. Can't see a date, which is a shame. That'd be brilliant if you could look how old that is.
Oh my God.
It's alright if you do breathe in any asbestos, it will take it.
No, it's the dust.
I'm trying to see if I can find a date anywhere.
Wow. Whole bottles?
Wow. This is untouched, isn't it?
Yeah. He didn't come in, did he?
No. No shoes though.
Wow. They're definitely old shoes.
That's crazy. They're not even matching either, which is even funnier.
It's matching one under. Oh no, it's not the same.
Someone
Yeah,
on fire. It must have done. Look, it's all black.
Oh. That's what's probably causing me to cough.
See if there's anything amongst all this rubbish. More newspaper.
Oh, I just thought. Oh, look at it. So there's any graffiti.
I'm going to be the wimp and climb up first.
Yep. 68.
Oh yeah. Look guys, I got our graffiti. All carved in. Wow. 86.
my god.
Fencing, sort of fencing, metal fencing.
They don't really look, they're not rusting, or it could be the chalk, I suppose.
Possibly.
Whoa. Would you like to go first?
Yeah, go on.
I get over here.
So this was a quick one, guys. It's not the biggest.
There you go, guys.
After our day.
Don't know if that help.
Kind of.
Not very good
That'll be
torch.
fine.